Hey guys, bigyan ko lang ng update itong kay Evo. Meron na ditong airdrop guys. Actually, I think 3 days ago na ito. So, na-claim ko na to 05. Binigyan ko to guys ng perspective sa ating YouTube channel. Ito. So, 1 month ago. Share ko din dito guys yung mga potential airdrop na paparating na kagaya ni Evo. Pero before tayo dito mag-start, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to, please like this video first. Subscribe yung YouTube channel natin. Turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel. So, this is only a quick update na ilipat ko na ito. Just make sure lang if you want to check sa end ninyo is that you have these transactions na ginawa dito sa kay Evo guys. No, you can just watch this video. I think I spent around 100-200 USDT something, but then again, if you're just interested naman dito kasi again, yung airdrop guys is not guaranteed, no? I keep mentioning that. It depends yan sa end ninyo. And then again, itong video natin today is just for ideas for our friends and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you got some ideas dito, mga updates, and I'll just give my perspective dito. Don't take my words guys. Make sure you do further research pa rin dito sa end din yun, no? So, itong sa Evo guys is that, as mentioned, I give this perspective. I spent around 100 USDT just to simulate lang dito ng transactions, and then meron akong nakuha na 205 guys, no? So sa pag-claim neto is that kailangan naka-Ethereum ka tapos MetaMask dapat yung gagamitin mo, naka-Ethereum network guys, no? Just to claim and para lumabas ito, no? So if wala kang transactions naman dito, don't expect na meron kang makukuha kasi for liquidity volume yung pinaka criteria dito guys, no? So as mentioned, I spend around 200 USDT and then I get 205 Evo dito. So I actually transfer na ito tapos winidraw ko na guys, no? So meron akong nakuha na 560 USDT. So, naibenta ko siya around 2.86 in USDT, 205 Evo. So, I have some kahit pa paano profits doon sa na-spend ko na USDT before or USDCE. So, quick update lang dito kay Evo airdrop guys, no? So, I just get this one. I have some friends na nakakuha ng mas malaki dito kasi I think decent din yung kanilang volume, no? So, right now, daily check-in lang muna ako dito guys. Again, itong pinaka-app na ito ginagamit natin just to transfer dito, tapos convert, withdraw, papunta sa e-wallets or Gcash guys, no? So you can just create a free account dito, tapos meron silang daily check-in wherein you can get points. Yung points na yan, pwede mong i-redeem na magiging USDT guys, no? So you can just check this out guys. Lalagay ko na lang yung official link sa description ng video na to para mapuntahan nyo. And meron ding trading fee discount na 10%. And para na rin makaiwas sa mga phishing links sa online guys, no? So claim ko lang to. Ayan. So dito sa baba you can just redeem if makakuha ka dito ng points, no, na say for example 3,000 points is that you can get up to 30 USDC or USDT that you can just use that for trades, and if yung profits na yan you can just withdraw, no? So currently I have 852. So daily check-in lang naman dito yung ginagawa ko just to get yung points, no? So for now guys, I'll share another potential airdrop na kagaya din ni Evo. Itong si Backpack guys, nasa beta pa rin tong app na to or nasa beta pa lang tong app na to. You can just browse this one. So volume din ata yung pinaka-criteria nila. Pero kailangan mo dito is that Solana, no? So under ito ng Solana ecosystem. And as of the moment, naglo-load pa yung pinaka-volume ko dito. Pero yesterday I have 14k volume ata dito, pero right now naglo-load pa to. Every day naman siya re-refresh, no? Makikita natin dito, pero as of recording this video naka-pending pa, no? So yun, isa ito sa mga tinitingnan ko din, Backpack, no? So yung official link naman nito lalagay ko na lang sa description ng video na to para mapuntahan nyo. I just add lang dito ng Solana, galing din dito. So paikot lang din yung Evo na profits ko, kinuha ko yung pinaka starting ko, tapos around 200 USDT ulit papunta dito kay Backpack just to potentially get, hopefully in the future or in the next coming months, meron din sila ditong announcements for a potential airdrops guys, no? So yun, simple as that for this update guys. I just share this one lang, and yung kay Evo nga meron na ditong airdrop, you can just claim this one. I think hanggang April na lang ata ito, first week ng April guys. So that's it for today guys. Hope you get some ideas dito. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.